Dear children, welcome to online classes of Biology Practical. So today we are going to prepare a stained temporary mount of an onion peel. Okay, so we are going to see the cells in the onion peel. Okay, so here we are making a temporary slide. Temporary slide means what? Which can be prepared and can be washed after observing the things. We can just wash it. Okay, so that kind of slides are known as what? Temporary slide. And permanent slide means it will be there. Okay, once you made, it can be there for many years. Understood? So the materials required for this experiments are the knife, forceps, watch glass, glass lights, okay, brush, needle, dropper, cover slip, then what to remove the extra mounting agent. Okay, sometimes when we put the glycerin, it can be more, so that can be blotted out by blotting paper like tissue paper or filter paper. Okay, then compound microscope we need to observe the things. Then what onion we need, glycerin, saffron solution, water, etc. are the materials needed for making the onion peels temporary mount. Understood? So these are the materials. So now let's see what is the saffron, and this is glycerin. Okay, glycerin, brush, and then this is the needle, and you can see the dropper, and then this is the watch glass with water. Watch glass we have taken water. Okay, and this is cover glass and cover slips. Okay, cover slips, and these are we have taken the filter paper for blotting, and this is the petri dish. Now you have to take the onion, and from the inside you just take out the peel of it. Okay, using a forceps. Okay, so slowly you just pull it out, so a small thin membrane you will get. Understood? So this is the what peel, onion peel. Actually it is the inner part we have taken. Okay, so the peel is representing the what, only the epidermis. Okay, then you put directly it into water, then using a brush. Okay, using a brush we can transfer it into the saffron solution. Okay, by transferring it into the saffron solution, it will get stained. Understood? Staining will be taking place there. Then after few seconds again put it into water, so that if any extra stain is there, that will be removed. Okay, washing is done. We have to transfer the peel from the water to the center of a slide. Okay, to the center you have to keep the specimen. Okay, and then what we have to do, you have to just put 2 drops of glycerin. Glycerin is used as the mounting agent. Understood? As a mounting agent we can use. Clear? And just flatten the peel if it is folded. Okay, now keep a cover slip using a needle. A needle should be used. Okay, and it should be put with the help of a needle, so that no air bubble will be there. Understood? Now if there is some extra the mounting agent glycerin, then it can be removed by using a what the blotting paper, a tissue paper or a filter paper. By using that, it can be removed. Now you have to adjust it in the microscope, and you have to see through the microscope. Okay, adjust the microscope and see at the low power. So like this you can see the cells, elongated cells with the dot like structures in the center. They are the nucleus, elongated cells, and cell wall only seen as what in the side as a drawing. Okay, so this is how to prepare a temporary slide of onion peel. Okay, so the aim of the experiment was to prepare a temporary slide, okay, of a leaf peel to see the it is to prepare a stained temporary mound of what, the onion peel. Sorry, leaf peel, not onion peel, to see the cells. Okay, and we have said what are the materials required, and we have seen how to make a slide. Okay, so you will have to write all these things like aim, materials required, principle, procedure, observation and precautions on in your lab manual. Understood? And also you have to draw the diagrams in the blank pages. Okay, so hope this is very clear to you. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you. So, from the above experiment, what you did, you have made a temporary mound of onion peel to see the cells, isn't it? You have seen the cells of plant in microscope, isn't it? So, you are supposed to write this experiment along with what the experiment to prepare a stained temporary mound of cheek epithelial cells. These two experiments you have to write, starting from aim, materials required, okay, then principle, procedure, observation, and precautions along with the diagrams. And the other experiments are spottings, and these in this spottings you are supposed to write only the points that is given what beside the diagram. Okay, diagrams you have to draw, and also you have to draw the write the points to remember, or the comments are given. Okay, like parenchyma, about parenchyma, about collenchyma, about sclerenchyma, all that points are given. Okay, so that are also supposed to be written in the lab manual. Okay, so we'll see in the next class. Thank you.